What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey. It's my birthday today. Yes, it is, man. Turned 27. I feel old as shit, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, man. Every time I think of it, I'm like, damn, I'm almost at 30. Like, this is not okay. Oh, man. But yeah, man. Feels good. Honestly, I have a lot of friends that didn't even get to see 21. So I'm super thankful that I'm able to even make it this far, honestly. So but yeah, I was gonna take off today, but since I'm going out this weekend, it doesn't make sense, you know. And usually I post videos you know, way ahead, but this one I'm actually recording on my actual birthday. So yes, it is the 18th. Cancer gang. But yeah, I love having a birthday in the summertime because it's like, it's the best time. It's always good weather. Usually my birthday falls on, like, well, you know, it changes every year, but I freaking love when it's on like a weekend, because then you can really just celebrate on your actual birthday. So yeah, man, I really haven't been doing much car stuff, honestly. I know some people want me to, but I haven't been doing much car stuff at all. Oh shit. I haven't been doing much car stuff at all, honestly. I really just been kind of locked in lately. Like, you know how some people, like, they got certain stuff they do. Damn, bro, go over. But yeah, I've really just been kind of locked in, man. I haven't really been like doing too much like car stuff or going out car shows and things like that. Really just been focused and grinding, man. And I'm like almost done with school too, so it's like, it's only right. Why do some people take like 13 years to make a turn? Like, just turn your car. But yeah, I always feel thankful though. Even though I'm always the type that's like always chasing something and, you know, never really that satisfied. When it comes to my birthday, I'm usually more like grateful that I made it this far anyway. So and honestly, I don't think any of us think we're ever gonna make it, you know, to see past like 20 something. Like, a lot of us think we're just gonna have short lives. I don't know why that is, but I'll never understand why this lane is always, it's like, why can't people just turn normally? Oh my god. But yeah, life is just crazy. I need a car wash too. And my fin on the side, so my side skirts, as you guys know, this kit is chassis mounted, so it's not going anywhere. Like, this kit, I could be doing 200 miles an hour, this kit is not gonna fall off. The only problem with this kit is on my side skirts, they're like the shark fins, right? And when the shop first put them on, they were facing down. It looks sick because the car looks even lower. you know, whenever the kit's like that, it looks insane because it's so low. You feel me? But what ended up happening was, you know, when you're outside, when you're at different car meets, when you're at different things like that, you're gonna end up like, you know, for example, I did a photo shoot and I was already in the grass and I didn't realize how big the dip was. So then I ended up going, you know, scratched the side of it and bent it a little bit. And then, you know, if I have to, like, I don't know, go into a bank or something, anything that's got a crazy dip, it just kept pushing it further and further. So now my fin on both sides is like bent. So I'm gonna try to go back to the shop soon to see if they could like bend it back or just bend it up so that way in case it scrapes, you know, I don't really have to worry. So yeah, that's kind of the main goal at the moment. But you know, otherwise it's still pretty good. But yeah, I love the kit though. Honestly, I'm probably the only, like, there's only, damn, what the hell was that? There's only 2 other C8s with the same kit, but they don't really drive theirs that much, so I'm technically like the only one who really like goes outside with it. So that's a red light. What the hell? Where am I going? But yeah. Is that a lizard? No! Oh my god! No! No, I just ran over a lizard, man. Oh my god! That's not what I wanted to do. Why is there so many cops ahead? Radar's going crazy right now. But yeah, there's like 2 cops right there. I just hate that on this strip, it'll look like there's cops, but then as soon as you get close, then they're not there. I'm like, what the hell? And I got pulled over recently and some cop was like, I really love your plate, but since you were going 10 over, that's considered speeding. I was like, don't they only give tickets out if you go 11 over? Like, I know if it's 11 to 20 miles over, I think you get like, if it's like 11 to 20 miles per hour over the speed limit, I think it's a fine plus 2 points. And then if it's like 20 to 30, then it's 4 points, and then 30 to 40, I think it's like 6 to 8 points. But I'm like, I only did 10 over. I realized though, now I see why people here in Florida, like, speed limit could be 50, but most people are probably gonna do like 55. So know, for people who have those cars, how are those cars? I feel like they're so tiny. But yeah, I thought my car was leaking coolant the other day, and then I took it to the dealership. The mechanic's like, we tried everything, it's not leaking. But for some reason, like, my temperature was really low, so that's why I said, nah, like, something has to be up. I thought there was something wrong because my temperature was like 130, which is, it's never that low. Like, when I start up my car, the lowest it might be is like 150, 160. So when I saw it super low, I'm like, what's going on? I thought there was an issue, but it wasn't that bad. So thankfully it was nothing bad. I just hate that they charged me a diagnostic fee, but I get it, because, you know, they had to put the car on a lift, they had to do all their tests and stuff, so I get it. And for the people in Florida, well, South Florida, did you know Costco has cheap gas? Like, it's beating everyone else's prices, I think, because it's so many people that go there that they can afford to do that. Because Costco is just out here with the crazy deals. Yep, reached the traffic. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a chill birthday today for me. I'm saving the partying and all the fun stuff for the weekend, so I'm probably gonna have a cigar today and just chill and vibe out, talk to my friends and family, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you leave some birthday love in the comments, I appreciate you. So give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.